everyone, this is Fran. Welcome to my channel. Today, gonna present to you guys a new kit I'm collecting. It's called the Mobile Suite Ensemble. It's a extension series to the FW Gundam Converge. It's a movable version, so you can look at wherever. So today, the Gundam I have is RX78. This is all the movable joints. So let's take a look into each individual component there is. So I guess here are the joints for each for the movable parts. This is probably a body. This is the stand for it. Wonder how it works. We'll look into it. All right. And then here are the parts. It's like it got a similar material as the Gundam Converge, but a lot more moving pieces that we need to build to get it working. And the body parts. So it's actually pretty simple. It's not that big parts. Okay, let's open it. Alright, here are the peripheral components, and let's get in with getting all the joints.
A few moments later.
Alright, let's get started with the build. Okay. Start with the head. With the body. So this is the body part that I finished. So the different side view. It's actually not very easy. The joint is actually pretty hard, pretty stringent to build. So, but it's very good looking, indeed. All right, let's put on all the weapons. Shield. Yeah. Oh shoot. Alright, I guess this is the full stand for it. Okay. Okay, this is something like this. Okay. Alright, so here you have it, is the mobile suit ensemble kit. Oh, it's really hard to go, mobile ensemble kit. It's actually a very good proportion. I like it. Alright, so here's the build of the Gundam ensemble. Is a little bit hiccup in the between, but yeah. Hope you guys like what I'm doing. Thanks, and see you guys next time. Peace. Bye bye. Yeah.